So we have the equation here. The sum of a two-digit number is 11. Number is reversed, it exceeds the original number by 9. Find the number. Solution. We shall let the number be let the number be xy, and when you take x plus y, the sum of these two-digit number is 11. Therefore, x plus y must give us 11. And they are saying that when the number is reversed, it exceeds the original number by 9. Now, when we reverse this number, we are going to use the place values of these numbers. Now, when we reverse the number, meaning y will be in the ones and then x will be in tens in terms of place values. Therefore, when we take y plus 10x, now 10 becomes in the tens in terms of place values, so it will be y plus 10, and this one equals to the original number, which was x plus 10y in terms of place values, then minus 9. Now, we can now rearrange this. We have y minus 10y, this 10y goes on this side, plus 10x minus x, this one equals negative 9. So we have y minus 10y will remain with negative 9y, plus 10x minus x will remain with 9x. This equals negative 9. We can divide through by 9 so that we have negative y plus x equals negative 1. Call this one equation 2, and then this one is equation 1. So we can solve the two equations together. We can make the value of x the subject in the first equation. X will be equal to 11 minus y. So when there is x in the second equation, we substitute with 11 minus y. So we have minus y, then plus 11 minus y. This equals to negative 1. Therefore, we have minus 2y plus 11 equals negative 1. Negative 2y equals to 11, closer to the other side becomes negative minus 1 minus 11. So negative 2y equals negative 12. Y equals negative 12 all over negative 2, which equals to 6. Negative and negative will cancel. Therefore, we are saying that y equals to 6. Now, if y equals to 6, and here we are saying that x is given by that, therefore, x equals to 11 minus 6. So x equals to 5. Okay, therefore the number will be x is 5, and then y is 6. So the number is 56. The original, when you add the sum 5 plus 6, you have 11. When you revise this number, we shall have 65. 65 minus 56, we have 9. Thank you for listening and watching.